Welcome back, where we dive deep into the wisdom of the past to transform our present. Today, we're exploring some of the most impactful quotes by Marcus Aurelius, a Stoic philosopher and Roman emperor. These insights are more than just ancient wisdom, they're practical tools for modern living. If you're ready to transform your approach to everyday challenges, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated. Let's explore how these timeless quotes can change your life today. Marcus Aurelius wasn't just an emperor, he was a philosopher who wrote meditations as a source of personal guidance. These writings help us navigate life's complexities with grace and virtue. We'll dive into 5 of his most powerful quotes and unpack how you can apply them every day. 1. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. First, Marcus teaches us about control. When you're stuck in traffic or upset by a work email, remember you control your reaction. Focusing on what you can change, like your perspective or your next action, reduces stress and empowers you. 2. Concentrate every minute, like a Roman, on doing what's in front of you with precise and genuine seriousness, tenderly, willingly, and with justice. Second, Marcus reminds us to focus on the present, whether you're cooking dinner or in a meeting. Giving your full attention to the task at hand enhances effectiveness and satisfaction. It's about doing the small things well, a key to living fully. 3. Accept whatever comes to you, woven in the pattern of your destiny, for what could more aptly fit your needs. Third, acceptance. When plans fall apart or unexpected events happen, Marcus advises us to embrace them. This acceptance isn't about giving up, but finding peace by acknowledging that not everything is within our control. 4. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Action over theory. It's easy to discuss what's right or wrong, but Marcus challenges us to live those values, whether it's being patient with your children or honest in your dealings. Embody the virtues you admire. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. Finally, happiness from within. Marcus tells us happiness isn't about having more, it's about appreciating what we have. Practicing gratitude, focusing on your blessings, these are the keys to a fulfilling life. Marcus Aurelius's quotes aren't just philosophical ideas, they are practical tools for everyday living. Which quote resonated with you today? How will you apply it in your life? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found these insights helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more wisdom. Remember, wisdom isn't just for understanding, it's for living. Until next time, strive to live a more thoughtful and fulfilling life.